Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit from Dr. Dixit Clinics, Bangalore. When we talk about hair loss in men, and especially young men, we are talking about two different kinds of hair loss. One is where you lose hair and you get a bald patch, a shiny bald patch like a coin sized. Multiple such patches might be seen on the scalp, and this is a condition called alopecia areata, which is an autoimmune condition, and it has to be treated in conjunction with a dermatologist. Though the condition almost always grows the hair back completely, you might need treatments to find out why the condition actually occurred, and you might need blood tests for the same, and you might need treatment for the same. However, if you're talking about the hair loss, which is the male pattern hair loss, so somebody in your family has hair loss and you also have started developing the early symptoms of balding and the balding patches are being visible, then it is a good idea to use minoxidil. But please remember, whenever we start minoxidil, it is a medicine. It is not like an oil that you can use on your own. It is better that you meet a dermatologist, because one thing is that they will advise you that it has to be used long term. And then if there is a need for starting the minoxidil at all, and if there is no need, can a non-minoxidil medicine be given for you to help you? Once we start minoxidil, it is important to remember that the treatment is very long term. It cannot be stopped in 6 months or 1 year or 2 years. It has to be continued for safely years together. So before starting a medicine like that, why don't you consult a dermatologist so you can understand what is the reason why this has to be continued long term. The second thing is that you can also see if there is any other solution which is possible to help you without using any long term medicines. But if there is a dermatologist who has suggested you to use minoxidil, then yes, you have to use minoxidil, and it is very helpful to maintain the amount of hair which is there on your scalp. Maybe even if you don't see improvement, you will definitely not see worsening when you are on minoxidil.